Hey guys, come on. It's April 19th. Let's go for a bike ride. I guess we got a change of plans here. This is Jason with Suburban Adventures, our family outdoor adventure channel, and welcome to spring in upstate New York. It is April 19th, and this is what I woke up to. A heavy, wet snow. Is it pretty? Not when it's April. Not when you're a month into spring. The good news is it's supposed to be 40 today and then 50 and 60 and 70 the rest of this week, so it should melt off pretty quick. Nevertheless, this is what we're looking at here. So let's see how much we got here. You can see that, but it's about, it was right about there, 6.5 inches. There it is on April 19th, 6.5 inches, and still snowing. Slight change of plans. This is a lawnmower. I actually was thinking about mowing the lawn the other day. This is a snowblower. I buried that back in the garage because I thought I was done with it, but apparently not. So let's get it cranked up and get some of this almost 7 inches of snow taken care of. Well, I did get everything cleaned up, and it was difficult because it was very heavy and wet. It was a pretty bad storm. There's a lot of people without power. There's a lot of tree branches down because the snow was so heavy. And in fact, my big snowblower had a hard time with it because it just kept getting clogged. So I did a little shoveling. It's already starting to really melt off. But it's ridiculous. So what I'm going to do is I'm bound and determined to go on a bike ride anyway because it's April 19th. So let's take a ride around the block. There's some damage right there. You can see the electric company's here. That yellow house there's a big branch that fell. You can see right there on the fence. And then that tree right there lost about 2 or 3 big branches. So it was a pretty bad storm. Not really the wind, just the weight of the snow. It's really melting off fast. You can hear it hitting the road off of the trees and everything. It's about mid-40s right now. I think tomorrow is supposed to get up to 50, and by the end of the week it's going to be 70. So would be pretty if it wasn't April 29th, but I mean April 19th. You can see it all up in the mountain up there on the trees. There's a lot of people around without power too. There's a tree branch down right there. It's split. See it right there. The kids enjoyed it. They got a snow day out of it, But I would prefer to go to work and not have a snow day on April 19th. They've been outside playing quite a bit this morning, but I think I'm gonna head inside. I've been doing some shoveling for a couple hours. So thanks for checking out our channel. If you like snow in April, you can move to the Northeast. If you're not a subscriber, you can click subscribe. Check out more of our videos, and we'll see you next time.